How to make a great eBay listing. In this video, we are going to look at the 5 crucial features that make a great listing. Title, item specifics, photos, description and price. They are all important factors you want to get right, as each detail could influence whether a potential buyer purchases from another seller or you. To begin your listing, you need to type out the title of the item that you want to sell. eBay allows you to use 80 characters in your title, so try to use as many relevant words as possible to help your listing appear to the buyer. Some words that can be useful to add if you can are the item's brand, color, type, model or style. Try to avoid any irrelevant words or special characters. The closer you describe what you are selling to what a buyer is searching for will help place your item higher in the search results. Check for spelling mistakes, as misspelled words could result in your listing not showing up. And if you are struggling to fill the 80 characters, don't worry, as it's quality not quantity that will help. Next is photos and videos. Photos are important because they show the buyer what they are getting. Taking the right photos help increase sales and can also reduce buyers' questions and even returns due to item not as described, which will impact on your seller performance. You can use up to 24 photos. eBay recommends using 10 plus. The basic requirement is to upload clear, high-quality images of your item from multiple angles. Your main photo is the one that will show on the search results, so you want this one to be your best shot in full view to help catch the buyer's eye. Having a white background helps your item being listed on Google Shopping. For this, some examples you can use are a lightbox, foam boards or white paper. You can also use a background removal tool on eBay. There are additional apps you can do this on, such as PhotoRoom and InShot. When taking your photos, ensure your item is in a well-lit spot or use some lamps. Make sure your item is in focus and looks natural. Don't use filters if this causes the color of what you are selling to look different. Aim to have your product fill 80 to 90% of the screen and be sure to capture any damages or flaws. You can now add a video to benefit your listing if you wish. Some reasons for using a video can be to show how your item works or giving instructions, how to install, or to give the buyer a better understanding of the item's condition. Item specifics. Item specifics come in 3 forms: required, recommended, and additional. Specifics won't always be the same, as they vary depending on the item that you are selling. The main ones to focus on are required and recommended. Though it is useful to fill out as many as you can, to give your listing a better chance, in case the buyer narrows their search using filters. Also, specifics that aren't required now may become required in the future. If you can, fill out the global trade item numbers and manufacturer part number. This can help speed up your process. The lightning bolt meter will fill up to show how complete your item specifics are. The more specifics you have filled, the better chance you have at making the sale. Item description. A clear and accurate description can help with any queries a buyer might have. By giving concise information in regards to the item's condition and what the buyer can expect. Start off with the product's key selling points to keep the buyer engaged. This is where you can help make a sale. Add as much relevant information as you can, including any flaws or damages. You might also want to include your shipping and returns policy if you think it makes your listing superior to others. Pricing. Your buyer wants to purchase what they want at a fair price. Be sure to price competitively to other listings. If you are unsure what to price your item at, there are a few ways to check. You can go into Filter. Scroll down to Sold Listings, and then you can see what similar listings sold for in the past 90 days. Another way you can do it is on TerraPeak, which you can access through the eBay Seller Hub on a desktop browser. This way gives you a more accurate reading of average sold prices, and you can check longer time periods. If you can't find it in Sold Listings or TerraPeak, you can always try using Image Search or Google. Once you have a price for your item, decide whether you want to offer free shipping or charge for it. If you offer free shipping, include this accordingly in your price. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped.